Sobre is a company dedicated to the design, manufacture, and sale of swimwear. We're going to analyze the process of costs and budgets.
The company seeks to optimize and be more efficient in the process of cost and budget of material use. At the moment, these activities take a lot of time and the responsibility is of one single person. Also, the stock is not updated.
As a part of the planning, responsibilities were delimited to achieve a better coordination in the activities. During the working time, Ana Lilia Diaz Moran worked as a coordinator, being the main contact with the company, making easier the planning of the interviews to obtain the information to develop the project. After analyzing the actual process in detail, with the help of Project Libre, we did a diagram which represents the activities and the duration of each one, in order to have better organized projects and to be able to control these activities.
In this diagram, we can notice that the process has 5 interfaces, where the owner of the company is considered the client, because he is the person who receives the information in order to be able to obtain the budgets of the swimwears. The process starts when the design area creates a new swimwear model. Then, the cutting area checks in the warehouse the stock of cloth and cover for the product. If the material is available, the process continues to the quality control area. In the quality control area, it's verified the stock of the thread and label. The client receives the stock information of the materials and heads to the cutting area in order to obtain the information of brands and efficiency. Once all the information is collected, the owner heads to the administration area to obtain the prices of all the materials required. Once he gets information of the costs, the budget is finished.
We decide to eliminate 2 interfaces, cutting area and quality control, because we identified many activities that don't add value to the process. Also, these activities involve 2 or more workers from different areas and make the process more complicated. There is a new interface called stock control, where a worker will be assigned to gather material information into a database in order to minimize the time and make easier the inventory research. Now, our 2B map shows 4 interfaces. We substitute 2 interfaces with a new one focused on inventory management, and the process only have 1 loop instead of 2. It takes now less steps to get the information to the client of the process. We focus on 5 indicators to compare the difference between the 2 maps. Here we notice a reduction of lead time from 66 minutes to 52. The information gathered by one department and one person make a big difference for the complete process. The steps now are 5 and we don't have steps that don't add value to the process.
To conclude with the project, we could identify the learning obtained with the use of tools such as the EDT map, free project, the teamwork, good organization and control of activities and tasks, as well as the allocation of resources in a company.
We can describe our work as a result of a great coordination as a team, a good communication between all the members, allowing us to conclude the project and present the improvement of the process to the company.
Something we had to do better is to be more related to the market segment to which the company belongs. The information can function as a reference when optimizing the process and cost according to the data that the customer receives of the competition.